Hey guys, just stop using this if else for validation. Here is a cool trick for you. So if you are using if else, then what you're doing is you are just validating your data by using a simple, if else and everything. And then after that, you're going to validate your email using the regex. So how are we going to do this? I have a cool explanation over here. So here we are going to use a Zord library. In Zord, we are going to use a schema. We are going to create a schema of the data object. And in this, we have passed the name, age, email. And then we are going to parse it using the saveParse function, that is the schema.saveParse, and with them we are going to pass the data. And in this, when we pass the data, we are going to get the result as is it a success or is it a failure. So let's look at the first example, the response, like the invalid email format. It works fine, but look at the code, how long it is. And over here, we just have one simple function that is going to give us all the errors. So over here, if you look at this console.log flat errors. Okay, so how are we going to get this thing is result.success. If it is success, then it is going to log the data. And if it is an error, if it is false, then it is going to flat the errors using the set.flatten error. That is going to give us something like this. That is the form errors, field errors, email and invalid email address. And then over here we are going to parse all the object keys. We are going to get the keys, and then we are going to loop through all the keys, and then we are going to get the actual error responses. So this is how you're going to work. Like if you have over here, if you have more number of validations, you just need to add whether the age should be minimum 18, age must be at least 18. So this is enough for the validation, and then we are going to just use the node validation.js and then see invalid email format. And then what we got is the number is more than 18, so we are just going to make it as 17 for now. And then we're going to run it again and see, we got age must be less than at least 18, and then the invalid email format. So guys, this is the right way to do your validation. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.